So I'm going to be honest with you, you're probably making this harder than it needs to be. Not because you're doing anything wrong, but because you're guessing. Guessing what to post, guessing what works, guessing what your audience wants. And I've been there myself for way longer than I should have been, to be honest. But when you're guessing, everything feels slow. You post a video, nothing happens. You try something different, still nothing. And then something else. And before you realize it, you've spent months going in circles, just randomly trying stuff out, really. And it's frustrating because you feel like you're working, you feel like you're trying, but nothing is really happening or compounding. Every video feels disconnected, and I think that's the main problem. This is what I didn't understand at the start either. I thought YouTube was about trying different things until something works, and yeah, there is some truth in that, but I think I took it too far. I was basically throwing random ideas at the wall. Different topic, different style, different audience. And I thought that was a good progress, but it wasn't. It was just basically noise. So what I did instead that actually started me growing on my channels is I stopped guessing and I got specific. And that was it. That was the whole thing that I shifted. But you have to understand what specific actually means. Not just a niche, but a clear topic, a clear audience, and a clear type of video every single time. Instead of I make YouTube content, it becomes I make videos about this exact thing for this exact person. And that really changes everything for you. And this will save you a lot of time because you'll stop starting from zero every single time. You're not asking what should I make, you're asking what's the next version of what's already working, and that's a completely different process. So when I started my Warhammer channel, I didn't overthink it, I just picked Warhammer lore. Very specific and very focused. I know what I'm making and I know what my audience is, and suddenly there was no guessing. I didn't sit there thinking what should I post today, it was more like, all right, what part of this lore should I cover next? Should it be breaking news? Should it be something that's already worked? An iteration of something that's already had a lot of views, perhaps? It was simple and I always knew my direction. And more importantly, each video was connected. It became a library of content that someone might enjoy. So when someone watches one video, they could watch another and it would all connect. And that is where growth comes from, especially in 2026, because as we know, session time is absolute king now. When you're not specific, every video feels like a gamble. It's a new topic, a new audience, a new outcome, and nothing builds. The algorithm has no idea who to show your videos to anymore because you could do a cooking video one day, then it will be self-help the next day, maybe gardening the next day, and these are all vastly different audiences and still very broad. You want to be as specific as you can. So even if one video does okay, you can't replicate it. You need to be able to have a very clear defined niche. Because you don't know why it worked in the end if you do this. That's the real cost of this, I think. It's not just slow growth, but it's just wasted time. Months of effort with nothing stacking up. Specificity, in my opinion, doesn't limit you. It actually speeds you up massively. There's a hidden benefit to this that I think people don't understand as well, which is you learn faster because you're repeating the same kind of content. You can actually see patterns. You notice which topics hit well, which hooks worked well, and where people dropped off in your retention. And you can adjust and improve your content and it will be good. That's how improvement really happens. Without specificity, you don't get that because everything is different on your channel. You can't compare, you can't learn properly. You just keep guessing and guessing. And this is why people get stuck, not because they're bad necessarily, but because their channels are just unclear. And unclear creates confusion. This is the bit that I wish I knew earlier because you don't need more ideas, you just need better direction and more specific directed videos. Because once the direction is clear, the idea will come more naturally. So, if I was you, this is what I would do right now. If you're stuck, just simplify your channel. Pick one very specific thing, not 5 or 3 things, just one thing and go all in on that one thing. For example, don't do content creation. Don't do like something really vague. Do something like how small creators grow on YouTube, like this channel, for example. Not fitness, but home workouts for beginners. Things that are much more specific that the algorithm can recommend to people. It will know that these people are looking for this content, and if you provide it consistently, the algorithm will show it to those people because it's very smart. I think you get the idea. The level of specificity really matters. The more specific you are, the easier everything will become. So Of course, there is always the fear, what if I pick the wrong thing? And honestly, I don't think it matters as much as you might think, because being specific is something. It's better than being vague for everything. And you will grow much faster if you are specific, trust me. You can always adjust later, or if you want to do something else, make a second channel. I do 5 channels right now, and I'm loving it. I can do very specific content on each of them. I don't need to worry about crossover. I don't need to worry about being vague. I do something specific on every one of them. But right now, if you're just starting on this channel, your first channel, you need to be very, very clear. You need that clarity. So guessing really slows you down. Specificity will speed you up. When everything connects on your channel, progress will compound. You will improve faster, your videos will perform better, and growth becomes more predictable and easy to manage. It's not guaranteed, but it's much easier to predict. And this feels a bit weird, and it might feel repetitive, like I'm talking about the same thing over and over again, but that's actually a good thing. That's how you build authority in your niche. That's how you build an audience and a presence, and that is ultimately how you grow. So if you're stuck right now, there's a good chance it's not your effort, it's just your direction. You're working hard, but you are guessing. And that's why it feels slow. So just simplify it, get specific, and watch how much easier growth becomes. Because this one shift alone can save you months and months of your life. And if you want to understand how to turn that clarity into actual watch time and momentum, that's exactly what I broke down in this video here, because guessing keeps you stuck, but clarity, that's what keeps moving everything forward.